So we're going to do that advanced bird dog exercise. We're going to add the boxes to it. So traditional bird dog, right? We're bracing in the core. We're extending the leg and the arm. We're not hinging to our back. This time we're going to trace a box with our foot, okay? So as we extend away, we're going to trace a small box, about a 4-inch box with our foot. We're going to do 3 of those. Now the key to this is that I don't start doing circles and I don't start moving through my back. We'll do it on the other side. So again, you're extending out, tracing, small box just with your foot, avoiding movement through our lower back. If it feels too hard, you can start with just the foot for now, trace the box, and then as you get comfortable, add that arm. So try 3 boxes each side. You can repeat each one 5 times.